Alright everyone, welcome to another episode of my video, and today I'm going to be teaching you or be showing you how to create a logistic website. Now this website has already been done, so I'm going to take you through the step-by-step processes of creating this type of website. You can see it has nice pages, track shipment, contact track services, and even a lot of features. You can put your contact form here or your contact details. You want to send a message, so you can see how neat and responsive this website is. So I'm going to be taking you through all this process, and this has a translator, it has a live chat, it also has the ability to track shipment locations, and also has an automatic invoice generator. So this can create invoice for this shipment, and it can also create a PDF file. And I'm going to be taking you through all these processes. So I'm going to expect that after here I'm going to give you access to this website as a whole. So when I show you how I did it, you're going to see in less than 30 minutes we are going to be done with this. So I'm going to show you the faster and simplest way to create this type of website. So let's continue. So first of all, before you get this website, you need to buy a domain name. So I'm going to be showing you two places where we can buy a domain name. So first of all, I'm going to be using Namecheap. I'm going to drop you a link below where you can click on to get to Namecheap and get any domain that you want. So you go to namecheap.com and you come right here and you search the name of the domain that you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy Unicorn Logistics. Let's just say this is what we want to buy, and we put the TLD. I say search. Alright, so when you click on search, it brings up a page where you can see the available names for that domain. So let's check, is this one available? Okay, this one is not available, so let's try to tweak something. So this is not in use, so I just want to use it for the essence of this video to show you how to go through these processes. So most of you watching might know this and most of you watching might not know, so let's go through this one. Unicorn delivery. Let's hope. All right, so this is it. Now if you want to buy, you go to add to cart. So you click on add to cart, you go to checkout. So Namecheap gives you easy access to get a domain name for as low as you want. You can also go and buy hosting. So when you click on confirm order, you're going to see a place where you need to pay. So if you are going to use Namecheap, make sure you use the description below. So if you already have an account, you log in. If you don't have an account, you create an account here and continue. So if you have an account, I have an account, I log in and I continue. So make sure you use that link in description to get to Namecheap, that you can get a lower amount. As you can see, this shows here you can get a lower amount. So when you get to this point, you can click on pay now and input your details, your card details, your payment details to pay. So after buying a hosting, this is the next process. You go back after buying the domain name, you go to your hosting and click on shared hosting. So on shared hosting, you can decide to buy 1 month per month. If you want the site to only be on for a month, you can say 1 month. So you put it on monthly. And you see the prices for monthly. So for the Stellar hosting monthly, is $3.88 per month, or for Stellar Plus $5.88 per month. So this is the amount you'll be paying. But if you want yearly, which is more preferable, you will see that the price is now slashed almost more than half, right? So you can see $1.88 per month, but they'll charge you for 1 year. So you can click on any of this and say get started. Then you click on get started. You will see it has been added to my cart, and they will ask you new domain name or existing domain. So since it's a new domain name that I've already gotten here, if you have paid for this before, you can select new domain name, and you can select existing domain name or new domain name. And you can see the new domain name is already here, so the price is here already, so already in cart or new purchase. So the one I want to use is already in cart, as you can see. So you can continue, and it sees automatically written inside here. So you can add to cart again and go to payment. So when all this is done, they will send you login details to your Cpanel right in your email address that you used in registering. So now we are going to go straight to that part. So let me cancel this. So let's go to the Cpanel. When they send you login details to your Cpanel, so let me show you what it looks like. So your Cpanel is going to be your website name / Cpanel. For example, I want to use this website right here / Cpanel. So this is the website name on this Cpanel / Cpanel. So this will take me directly to where I'll need to log into this Cpanel and get access to it. Right, so you input your username. They will send you all this and the password. Alright, if everything is okay, we are now going to be logged in. Something is wrong with the password, I think so. Yes, we are good to go. So now we are logged into the Cpanel, and since we didn't get a new domain name, so I'm going to be creating a subdomain for the sake of this video. So now I'm going to create a subdomain. You can search through my previous videos. I've done a video on how to create add-on domains, subdomains, and all that. So let's create a subdomain. So let's call it, let's input it to one of these websites. So let's say Logistics. Alright, so it's gonna be logistics.apextraders.org. So I'll create Alright, so the site is created. So enabling free 1-year positive SSL installation is in progress. Alright, so this is going to be in progress to give us an HTTPS secured line. So let's go back. So now we have done this, and let's go to our main file. Alright, so now we have created a subdomain, and the next thing is to install this website. So you see, this is in easy steps. You don't need to start installing WordPress and starting to build one after the other. This has already been customized and made that you only need to log in and start editing it to your taste. So now let's go to File Manager. Alright, so let's look for that. Where is it? Alright, so this is it here. So you can see now it's open. So I don't need this, I'll delete. Yes, I'll delete too. Alright, so it's time to upload our file. So let's upload our file. So this file, I'm going to give you access to it. The link to get this file is going to be down there in the description, so that you can use it to work for your client and charge him over 200,000 or 150,000 or $300, $200, $150 as you want. So this is going to be for you, and you don't even need to spend so much to get this, and it's going to be designing a website in 2 hours. And now I'm not sure, I'm not going to spend 2 hours on this video, but you can just design a full-fledged logistic website with everything you need. So let's look for that file and select it. Okay, so look for it now. So when you get access to this, you can use it to work for your client. Where is it? Oh, not it. I need to get it. Alright, so this is it. So you just open it, click open. So when you click open, it's going to take a little bit of time for it to upload. So you're going to wait till the upload is completed. Okay, so it's almost done, and wait till this stuff turns green, and then we'll know that the upload is complete. Alright, 100%, and let's wait. Oh, green, so it has been successfully uploaded. So you click here and go back. Alright, so inside here is everything we need, but before we go further, we need to extract this file. So let's extract. Right click and click on extract. Yes. Right, click on close. Right, so we have most of the stuff we need here, but this is not all. So before we move to the next step, we need to go back here to the main page and create a database where we will store all this. So let's go to my SQL database wizard. So just come here, search database. Alright, so you can see it here. We go to my SQL database wizard and create a database. So you come here and put in the database name and put Logistics DB. So you can put anything you can remember. Put logistics and go next. I put logistics too. So here put password. You can use the password generator to generate a password so that you don't forget, but most times so you might forget this if you use this type of password, but I don't use it, so I put my own password that I can remember. Alright, so you create user. Right, so click all privileges and be mindful of the name. So you can as well copy this since two of them are the same thing, I'll just copy one. Assuming the two are different, I would have copied two of them differently, so I'll just copy one and go here and click on make changes. So after clicking on make changes, I now have my database complete. So now I can proceed with the installation. So now we have uploaded this here, and the next thing is to go to this website. So let's go to this website now. Let's copy. I forgot we already copied something, but okay, it's still here, so no problem. So let's paste. Now when you paste it, sorry, copy this. When you paste, you put slash and put installer.php. If you don't put .php, it's not gonna work. So let's move further and see this. If everything is okay, it's going to show us the installer. Correct. So we are here and we need to continue with the installation. So this shows us if so you disregard all this and click here and click on next. Alright, so here we need to put in that archive database name. So we select again, we paste here. What's happening? I copied it, paste, and now put your password. So with everything okay, click on test database, passcode, everything is okay. Now click on next. Okay. Alright, so click on next. Alright, so we are done with this, so there is no problem. So now before you click on login, we need to hack this admin password. So to hack this, I'm going to show you how to do it. So now we go back here and go to Cpanel because we don't know the admin password. So let's go to Cpanel and we go to PHP my admin. So you can always come here and search. In case you can't find it, search PHP, click my admin. Right, so wait a little bit, it will redirect you. Alright, so here is a list of all the databases that I have here. So let's look for that. So look at it here, logistics. So now we are going to hack some things. We're going to change the database, the user password, because we don't know it. So let's come down here and look for users. So this user. Alright, so I want to change the password. We come to edit. So we select MD5 and you put in a password here. And go. So let's check. Alright, so we logged in and it worked. So it's going to automatically delete all those tools that we used now, and everything is now back to normal. So you can see the site is now working. So let's go and finish up what we started. So as you can see, this is now working. We have to close this tab. So now let's look at the front end and see how our website looks like. So the website link now is to Logistics. So it's not a must that you must do this in your websites or in your subdomain, but when you buy a new hosting, you do this and paste this in your, upload these files in your public_html. I'm going to show you exactly where to do that. So if you bought a new hosting, you're going to, if you go to your file manager, this is where your main files are going to be. So you identify the folder called public. So public_html. So when you get to that folder, that is where your home files are. So this is my public_html. I have files already here. So this is where, if you have a new hosting and domain name, this is going to be empty, and this is where you go, open it right here and click on upload and do the processes we just did now. So now let's look at our website, and you can see, wow, you can see the link up here, and you can see that we have the same thing we have right here. So now we have successfully uploaded this website in less than 30 minutes. So you can see this one already here. So let's take you to the processes of editing this website to the way you like it. So first of all, you can go to your dashboard. So let's go to dashboard. These are dashboard, and so it's a very updated WordPress. Is using 5.9. So you can choose to uninstall this plugin or you leave it. So let me show you how to use this to add. So this is adding shipment, and this is all shipment. So I'm going to remove. So we already have shipments here, but the one you're gonna get is going to be empty. So you know how to set this up. So let me go to settings. If you want to set up this, you first go to WP Cargo. So you go to WP Cargo, you go to general settings. So let me take you through the processes of setting your WP Cargo. So this is where you set up the general settings, add type of shipment, shipment mode, shipment location, shipment carrier, the people that will be carrying your shipment, shipment payment mode. So this is where you put in cash, check, comma. You separate every option with a comma, so you can see. And this is your shipment status. You separate each status with a comma. So this is where you put in your logo, your website logo. So you can copy the link and paste it here, the link to your website logo, and paste it here, or you can click on upload. So you can upload from your website or from your files, your system. So here you can display a barcode if you want to, or if you don't want to. So where do you want the tracking page to be? So there is a page already created called track, so this is where it to be, so no need changing it. So here you put your shipment number format, number prefix, and USP. So first things first, let's go to the WordPress settings. So let's go to settings and go to permalinks. So this should be the first thing you will do. You come here and make sure that everything is the way you want it, that is connected to the way your website is linked. All right, so this next thing, you go to general settings. So here you set your company name, so you want site title and logistics. So you put your tagline. So here is your website, and here you put your email. Maybe you have an email, logistics at Apex. Alright, so you can do some more settings if you want to, and after you're done, you click on save changes. So that's the most important setting, so you can see the name has changed. So that is it. Let's go back to WP Cargo settings. So general settings. Right, so the next thing here is client email settings. So this client email settings is your client, the person that owns the shipment you're shipping. So this is an email setup if they get an email for each update. So activate client email notification. Click on good the checkbox if you want your client to be notified when there is an email, when there is a change in status. Maybe the shipment is picked up or is on hold or out for delivery or on check or en route. Any status at all that you update the shipment to. So you can say activate client email notification. If you off this, then this is not gonna work. But if you put this on, then it means you want all of this to work. So but if you want to put this off, then you can select few things that you want them to be notified for. So you want your client to be notified only when it's picked up or when it's en route and when it's delivered. You can check this. But if you want all of them, you can just uncheck it and check here. So any notification at all, they will be notified. So your domain email, so these things you just need to change this, the one that is written like this, you change it to your email, your domain email. So here you put in you leave this empty, leave this empty, leave this empty. So if you know how to write some contents, but this has already been written in a way that it looks nice, so there is nothing here to change. It is a very nice email setup. I personally wrote this code here to make it look nice. You can do this. If you understand this, you can edit it. If you don't understand it, you can just leave it like that and click on save changes. Also, admin email settings. This for the admin if you want to receive notifications when any shipment is updated. So this can also help you to know what is happening on your website, so that someone doesn't put in a shipment without your notice. Don't forget, I'm always here to answer your questions, and if there's any issues as regards these procedures. So you can see the emails here are the ones you can change. You can change it to your email. There's also a video on how to create an email in my YouTube channel, so you can always go there and watch and see how you can create a site email like this that has support at the website name. So you can always check whenever you want. So save changes. So multiple package settings. So enable multiple package on admin. So if you enable the multiple package on shipment admin dashboard, right? Enable multiple package on results. All right. Enable dimension. Just leave everything like this. You can say here piece type selection. If there are other types of things that you ship that are not here, you can put a comma and add it. All right. So that is all for here. Now go to map settings. Now this is if you want to include a map on this, so you need to go to Google use one of the links to get an API key. So you click here, you go to Google and get an API key. So when you get it, you paste it here and you save map settings. Everything will be working for you. So that is it for here, and let's look at the next thing. Is let's create a shipment. So first of all, let's say add shipment. So with those settings, now you see it will automatically give you a shipment number. So I want you to go back and check all that I showed you. You will see where you can make this to come up. So let me show you now to avoid mistakes. Go to general settings. You can see down here that it has enable auto generate shipment number. So it's enabled, and that's why when you go to add shipments, it automatically generates a shipment number, or otherwise what we call tracking number. So it has already generated this. So here you put the shipper name, receiver name, type of shipment. This is where you put in all those details: weight, packages, products, payment method. So you can see that list here. You can see carrier. So you can see destination. You can select from a list of all the countries in the world. You can see origin, where is it coming from. You can select from a list of all the countries in the world. Pickup date, the date it was picked up, and delivery date. You can see select from here. You can put it by yourself. Pickup time, you can select the time. So all of that, and here is where you update the status. So you can select if you have a user, there is no user, so you can select the location. You can put in any location, say China, status is picked up, on hold. So when you click on this and click on publish, the client is automatically sent an email. So this is where you put the email address of the receiver. So the receiver automatically gets an email of the status of their shipment. So this is all you need to do, and here is where you put the shipment details, shipment type, description, and all that. So here I'm going to show you an example. So let's say we publish this and we put the name here. Alright, I just want to show you some things. Let's track something and let you know that this is working. So let's just leave it this way and publish. Alright, so it's published. Now let's just copy this and open the tracking page. So we just need to put in this, enter tracking number, put and paste, and track results. Now you can see now that we have seen those things that we just put in now. So this is how it comes up. So this is how to build a shipment or delivery or logistic website. You can always explore WordPress and look at all this. So you can, let me show you how to change the logo of this website. You come here, you click on customize. So if you have your own logo, you click on customize. You really don't have so much of a work to do. You just need to customize this, change the logo, change the images, and you are good to go. So site identity, you go to change image or remove. So select, this is for site icon, this icon that shows up here. So site title, tagline. It turns out that this theme here gives you the chance to change all these logos from somewhere different, so you don't really need to come here. So here is where you can change the site icon, select another one, and also the menus. You can set up the menus, you can do the home page settings. So I think everything is already set up for you in this. You don't really need to do much of a hard job. If you don't like the colors of the website, you can change the colors right here. The header is this part. You want the header to have a specific type of color and not red. You can select another color. You can see a wide range of colors to set up and look at what it means. So this is already nice for you to use, and I don't think there is so much of customization needed. So we change the logo, go to general. So here you can see a lot of other things to have effect on. So first of all, the layout, and I think everything is okay here. Go back, top bar. So if you want this stuff that shows on top here, you want this top bar here, there is a you put it on or off. So you can put it on or put it off. So enable top bar on mobile off. So you can that stuff doesn't show if you open this website on phone. It's only when you open it on the website on a web browser on your computer. So this is a top bar right button link. So there's a link right here that says track. So this is where you put the link to that button. So this is track. This is the link here that shows you. So this is where you set it up. So let's go back. So you can see that top bar link, it has the primary website. So what you need to do here is copy your website link, copy, and come right here before the track form and paste it. So you can see it's already the same thing. So you don't need to do much of a job. You publish. So after you change anything here, you click on publish. So top bar social, if you want to include the social media handle, you can click on or off. Alright, so top bar, okay, then this header, this is how you want the head to look like. You want it to look like this, the logo here and other items here. You want logo here centralized. I want the logo centralized and the options are the left and the right. So you have the option to choose. So now this is where you change the logo. So I want to remove this logo. You can select any image of your choice and use it as a logo. So after creating your logo, you can select any image of your choice. Let's say I want to select this. So that's now my logo. So go back. If it's not showing here, don't worry, you've already uploaded it. If you refresh the site, you're going to see it. So you explore the settings, enable fixed navigation bar. Yes. Right, so leave every setting as it is unless there's something that you don't like. So I think every other thing is okay. So here is the footer, copyright, text. So here I'm going to change this because the website has changed. So I'm going to put another name, Logistic Delivery. Alright, so you can see this now makes it look a little bit nice. So let's try and refresh this and see what it looks like. You click on Ctrl F5. Alright, you can see the logo has changed, this has changed, and look at the footer has changed also. So this is nice, this is nice. So let's move to the next thing in line. You can always customize all these and make it look, but I think I've made this look very well. So you can change these texts where the names are. So let me show you how to change this. Alright, so if you're on a page like this, you click on edit page. Alright, so these pages were built with good layer, so we're going to be using it. So cancel this. Right, so this good layer. Now we're going to go to those texts that we want to edit. You scroll down. Alright, so this is it. We want to edit this. Click on it. Right, so we can see you come here, delete the one you want to delete. Alright, so this is just the process of doing everything, and when you're done, scroll down, click on save options. So you can see that has been added. So you scroll down and you can see somewhere else. If you have anything to edit, you click here, click on the pen and paper icon, and to help you to edit it. So that is just the process of doing this. So after you're done, you click on updates. Then you go back to your preview. So you can always go back here, or you go to preview. So let's go back, please. Alright, so what next is remaining for us to touch that we've not seen. So you can always edit any page, click any page that you want to edit, check the contact. Our services, so everything's fine. So let's now go to the top two plugin. So you go to install plugins, add new. For the live chat, so you search for talk to or any live chat platform that you know. So install it and activate it. So this one is already active. So you go to settings, you go to talk to, and you embed your login. So if you are logged in, you see places where you need to log in and embed yourself. So this one is already logged in, but we will disable this on the one that you'll be having access to, so that you can create your own and log in. So there is no much things to do here. So if you want to do invoices, so this is invoices, you can first of all go to invoices, to the settings first, I think so. Alright, so you click on invoices. First of all, you go to settings, yes. So you see the settings here, slides, invoices, slides, invoices, and go to settings. So here you can set up how you want it to look. You have a lot of options and things to set. So you can also put in your logo on this one. Quotes, invoices, payment, tasks, emails, and all that. So you explore and find a way to do the settings. So this is for SMS. If you want to send SMSs to your clients as your users or clients as a notification, so you can use this for free. So I put this here for free for everyone to use and send bulk SMSs. It doesn't cost anything, just that the text message will come with text, so it won't cost you anything and it won't spoil anything for you. So this is it, and if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel to get more and more videos like this, as I'm always going to be posting and to show you guys how to do more and more of videos like this. So I'm still thinking if there is something else I haven't shown you guys about this. Okay, I don't think there's anything else, so try as much as possible to get access to this and use it to do any design. And if you are very good with WordPress, you will really understand how to do this and make it easier for you. So I've already done 85 to 90% of the job for you. You only need to do the remaining 10%. So thank you for watching this video, and my contact is always there. If you have any questions on this, I'm always free to talk to you any moment. So make sure you get access to this video, like and subscribe. You can also share among people. Thank you for watching.